Hey guys, John from Roxton here. I'm here with our new Nano Atomizer dry fogger. I'm excited to take you through and show you how to use it today. First thing we're going to do is we're going to unscrew the reservoir. We're going to set the other part of the machine down gently, and on the bottom of the reservoir there's a little cap. You're going to uncap that, and that is where you fill up with the disinfecting fluid. So once we have that all set, we're going to reattach the reservoir to the machine, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to plug it in, and we're going to leave it for 5 minutes to warm up. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes, so the next step is to take the machine and basically you're going to want to look at the front touch panel. There's a big on button. You're going to want to press that 3 times until you get to setting C. Once you're at setting C, you're ready to go. So all that's left to do is press down the trigger. It'll make a clicking motion and a hissing noise, and then it should start dispensing the fog. So once we're all done with our fogging for the day, we're going to make sure we turn the machine off. And again, you do that on the touch panel. You just hold the on button for 3 seconds, and it should click and beep, and then it's off. And then we're going to unplug it, and we're going to leave it to sit just to cool down for a couple minutes, and then we're going to replace it in the box. And that's as simple as it gets to disinfect. That's the Nano Atomizer. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.